See that sparkling dewdrop? It's not just water, it's a gateway to a hidden quantum universe. Nature creates these perfect spheres every morning. Surface tension pulls every molecule into perfect alignment, creating nature's most flawless lenses. Inside, these drops become powerful microscopes, bending light into spectacular rainbow patterns. Each one creates its own light show. At the quantum level, water molecules dance with light itself, creating microscopic rainbow networks that power this entire magical display. Subscribe to see more hidden quantum wonders. What everyday marvel should we explore next?